Good morning, students. Today is Tuesday, June 8th. Sorry I'm not in today. Make sure you fill out the attendance form. And then let's get started on the lesson today. Today's lesson is all about finding out who represents us at the national, state, and local levels of government. And we're going to use this form called Who Represents You. It's a Google Doc. Open it up. It's pretty straightforward. So you're going to use all these links that I've provided to the U.S. Senate, the U.S. House of Representatives, and the Supreme Court to find out who represents you at the national level of government. You can hear my dog chewing on Legos in the background. That's what she's doing, Savannah. All right, national government. So you're going to click on senate.gov. And it's pretty easy. It's a pretty easy search. You're going to find out who your senator is. Right up here at the top, it says find your senators, and you simply select Virginia. If anybody wants to select a different state, make sure you let me know on this form what state you're looking up. All right, so put your senators here and here. Remember, there's two. Next, you need to find the representative in the House of Representatives from your district. So you're going to click on house.gov. All right, and here you go. Now this is actually going to be different depending on your address. Some of you guys, usually my classes are split between two representatives. So the only way to do this is to put your zip code in right here. Enter your 5-digit zip code. If you're not sure, ask your parents. Find your zip code. Let's see, Poe Middle School, 22003. Look up. And it's going to tell me who my representative is. And actually, because there's multiple representatives in the zip code, you'll have to put in your actual street address. So 7000 Cindy Lane is Poe Middle School. If for some reason you don't want to use your own address, you could use Poe Middle School's. I am not a robot. I am a cyborg. Find your representative, and there you go. Donald Byer. This is the district that he represents. And it includes some of you who live near Poe Middle School. All right, so that's the House. And then you're going to click on the Supreme Court.gov to look up who your Supreme Court members are. Hover over about the court and then click on Justices. Don't forget to write their names right here. Begin with the Chief Justice first. Tell me who the Chief Justice is. Oh, and I almost forgot. To start this off with the national government, please go up here and insert a picture of the United States flag. Search the web. Easy way to do that. All right, now on to Virginia and the state government. We're going to start by copying and pasting the Virginia flag. So go up and insert image, search the web, and search for a Virginia flag. For those of you who have been in my classroom this year, you know the flag hangs in the back of my room, so you should know pretty much what it looks like. All right, Virginia state government. We need legislative and executive. Sorry, actually, at the national level, I skipped president and vice president. I'm thinking most of you know this, but if you don't, click on whitehouse.gov. Didn't have a window open. Should be easy enough. All right, so let's go down now to Virginia, virginia.gov, Virginia government. And this one actually has the executive branch first, so you can find the 3 people you need, the governor and lieutenant governor. Actually, only 2 people that you need. I didn't put Attorney General. Find that easy enough, though. All right, and then we need to find our state delegate and state senator. So how do we do that? It's easy enough on the state website. There's a feature that allows you to look this up for the legislative branch. So we're going to go to virginiageneralassembly.gov. It's actually not that easy to find. Click up here at the top where it says, "Who's my legislator?" Click there. And then over on the right-hand side, again, click on "Who's my legislator?" And you'll need to enter your address. So if I live at Poe, sometimes I feel like I do, Cindy Lane, Annandale, Virginia. Find now. All right, it also tells me my U.S. congressmen and senators, but we already know that. But it tells me the information I need: state senator and state delegate. Take those names and record them here. All right, last but not least, local government. Copy and paste a picture of the seal of Fairfax County, same way that we did the other ones. Search up Fairfax County government flag or seal to get a picture of it. Okay, click on fairfaxcounty.gov to find your representative on the Board of Supervisors and the chairman of the Board of Supervisors. And lastly, we need our county executive. That would be the executive branch. So here's the Fairfax County government site, Fairfax County. Click on government, and there it is, Board of Supervisors. Actually pretty easy to find. Click on that. Hello, okay, it's loading. And there we go, board members and districts. Remember, there's 10 members of the Board of Supervisors, but they're not all your representative. I mean, in a way, they all represent you, but in your district, you have your own supervisor. So click on your district supervisor. Again, I'm going to enter the Poe address. 7000 Cindy Lane, Annandale. All right, and then on the left-hand side, it tells me the chairman and my supervisor. Take those names. So if you live near Poe, it's Penelope A. Penny Gross. She goes by Penny. And the chairman is Jeffrey McKay. That'll be the same for everybody. Their name goes here and here. Next, we need to find the county executive. That's the last representative that we need to look up. And that will not be the legislative branch. That will be the executive branch. So I click on government, Board of Supervisors, I see. Let's click there again. And we want to find the county executive. This is also a pretty helpful video that you could watch. Not seeing the county executive. So what I'm going to do is the old-fashioned way. I'm just going to search it up. County executive. Office of the County Executive. So I don't know how we missed that, but we did somehow. It's actually not that apparent, but this is the name that you want. This is the county executive. His name is Brian Hill. So you can click that link to read about Mr. Hill and what he does as the county executive. And that will give you a list of who represents you at the local, state, and national level of government. Good luck, guys, and please turn it in once you are complete, once you have it completed.